Pay attention, crypto gossipators. Things are about to get interesting. Remember, not financial advice.
Hey guys, what is up? Hope everyone is doing well. Hope everyone's having an amazing day because I'm as usual. And ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. So guys, Shiba Inu gears up for Shibarium Mainnet release. Not only Shiba Inu, but Bone and Leash and everything within the ecosystem. Remember, a lot of articles, they forget about the others in the ecosystem because Shiba Inu is obviously the face, It's what many people think it's all about. But what I can tell you for sure, guys, is that, everything within the ecosystem, everything that's connected to Shibarium is going to be skyrocketing. Okay, so I think it's important that we get a sort of a summary of what is going on. It's very, very interesting. So Shibarium, the layer 2 scaling solution, is nearing the mainnet launch. Okay, very important. The mainnet launch, that final launch, because right now we're in beta and puppynet. We're just testing things. While the official word is not out yet, reports are claiming that the launch is tentatively scheduled for August 2023. Making this claim strong is the announcement wherein Shiba Inu is called the coming time summer of Shibarium, okay? The summer of Shibarium. So, no official dates were given, but if Shaitoshi is already writing Summer of Shibarium, everyone's referring to it as the Summer of Shibarium, then something might be happening this summer. As the mainnet launch draws close, anticipations are constantly increasing as Shiba Inu is leaving no stone unturned to tease the community and recently announced that a number of releases have been planned following the launch of Shibarium. Again, details of releases are being held private. Nevertheless, the team of developers has assured that the latest releases will consist of a number of projects and updates. August poses a perfect time to launch Shibarium, as that is when the team will be in Toronto attending Blockchain Futurist Conference, okay? Because, let me make it very clear to you, okay? This Blockchain Futurist Conference actually might be one of the most important events here, okay? And that is one that you should always think of, pretty much put it in your phones and your reminders. Massive event, okay, that is being sponsored. If they're sponsoring this event, SHIB decides to sponsor it because they want to make a mark out of it, okay? So get your swimsuits ready, exclaimed Shiba Inu, adding that the summer of Shibarium has arrived. Notably, the team recently rebranded the token website with a core objective making way for more projects and ecosystem partners. Launching Shibarium aligns with the objective of serving the community well with two main objectives. These are reduced transaction fees and enhanced scalability. The community, also referred to as SHIB Army, has reacted positively to the teaser. Most of them have welcomed the move under the speculation that August could be the month for the launch. Others have sought more strategic partnerships to take trading value of SHIB beyond the $1 mark. Okay, so, well, guys, obviously we know SHIB is circling at 5 zeros and moving to 4 zeros, so around that time. But the SHIB Army is confident that the launch of Shibarium and the subsequent developments will help the SHIB token experience skyrocket its price, because Shibarium is that massive catapult. So Shibarium is functioning in the beta version. The reason why the development team is optimistic about its launch is that the scalable solution has recorded over 30 million transactions and 17 million addresses. Okay, so that is what the puppynet is doing. The beta version absolutely smashing numbers. That's what they're doing. Okay. So the beta version of Shibarium was on the downside until Shaitoshi Kusama came out to announce the mainnet launch. That is precisely when the community or SHIB Army took conscience of the beta version and began flooding the network of a test run. Okay, so if Shibarium is needed, is indeed launched during the Blockchain Futurist Conference, then the date would be either 15th or 16th of August, okay? So right now, this is kind of a recap of what is happening, what we're predicting. I know sometimes it can get a little bit repetitive and everybody's talking about it, but the more we speak about it, the more we discuss it, maybe the more it'll stick in our heads, because sometimes you will have some of these, unprepared investors out there that miss the dates, that are not up to date with everything, don't write it down. So maybe, it helps if you just kind of repeat everything and also, guys, we're talking about Shibarium, but do you even remember what Shibarium does and how important it is? So if you guys, forget, just remember, it pretty much ticks all the positive boxes, okay? That's a massive change for the whole crypto space. So for you guys to be missing out these massive opportunities is just dumb. It's not very intelligent. So you better be ready, you better be prepared, and I think these are the moments to make it happen. So please, open your eyes and get prepared for these massive events that are coming, all the announcements, all the talk, all the big projects making the announcements, and that's where you'll see the prices skyrocket. And it's all a massive effect, and who knows, if Bitcoin will also be doing well in that time, then it's going to be crazy. It's going to be a massive party for us, okay? So hopefully the markets are really nice next month, and they're suitable and positive and green and ready for us to do damage on them. And the more damage we do, the better we can get, and we can actually finally get to the stage where we feel confident to start going against these fudders, because we'll have all the evidence and everything is going to be for display. I can't wait to make all that money. Can't wait for it. And I read a lot of these articles, and yes, they can be very repetitive about the Shibarium Mainnet release, but guys, it really hypes me up. I really start to understand, because sometimes, I look at my portfolio and I'm already in a profit, because I was investing at 0.3 and I think, well, should I just leg it and just cash out and forget about everything? Hell no, because I want to see 100x, I want to see 200x, 300x. These are the type of returns I'm chasing, okay? I'm chasing the big money here with the big boys, okay? So get ready and be prepared, and stop whining and closing your eyes on all these important events, because these events will pass by and you will be there like a loser standing wishing that you could have done something, that procrastination didn't get into your head. So as of now, guys, I am very happy. Let us know down below how you feel about Shibarium Mainnet release. Do you think it's going to be 15th, 16th of August? What are you going to do on these days? How are you going to react? What are you going to also tell your friends and family once you start cashing in big money? Are you also trying to get them involved in all these investments? Let me know down below. It'd be very interesting to know. And also don't forget to turn that notifications bell on, subscribe, and guys, I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.